Have you ever fantasized of fuller, longer hair? Maybe an entirely new style not possible with your own hair? Whether it's for an upcoming event where you want to look your best or for a more lasting change, you can now add instant volume and length with HairClub's tape-in or halo extensions. Not all extensions are created alike. HairClub's extensions are 100% human hair, allowing you to heat, style, and color just as you would your own. HairClub's tape-in extensions are expertly applied, cut, and styled to last by a highly skilled stylist, so you can feel as comfortable as you do beautiful. The easy at-home application of halo extensions allows you to transform your hair in a matter of seconds. All HairClub's extensions come in a wide assortment of colors, textures, and lengths, providing infinite styling options. And HairClub can further tailor the extensions to fit your desired look. Whether you want to extend your length, add volume, enhance your color, or simply wear the hairstyle of your dreams, HairClub's high-quality extensions are the right choice for you. Extensions are inconspicuous and virtually undetectable. Best of all, HairClub's tape-in extensions can be treated just like your natural hair, without confines on shampooing and styling, swimming, or other facets of your active lifestyle, while halo extensions can be applied and removed as desired. With tape-in or halo extensions from HairClub, you can attain the fuller, longer, perfect style you've always dreamed of.